तेलंगाना में एसआईआर का अमल 15 जून से शुरू होगा। रियासती चीफ इलेक्शन ऑफिसर सुदर्शन रेड्डी ने हैदराबाद में मीडिया से बात करते हुए बताया कि 25 जून से 24 जुलाई तक घर घर जाकर वोटरों की जांच की जाएगी। उन्होंने कहा कि बीएलओज हर घर पहुंचकर एनुमरेशन फॉर्म तकसीम करेंगे और हर वोटर को 2 फॉर्म दिए जाएंगे। एक फॉर्म भरकर इलेक्शन हुकाम को वापस देना होगा, जबकि दूसरा फॉर्म वोटर के पास इकरार नामे के तौर पर रहेगा। सुदर्शन रेड्डी ने बताया कि ऑनलाइन एनुमरेशन की सहूलत भी फ्राहम की जा रही। मुकम्मल शुदा फॉर्म जमा करने के बाद 31 जुलाई को ड्रॉप वोटर फहरिस्त जारी की जाएगी। उन्होंने कहा कि ड्रॉप फहरिस्त पर 31 जुलाई से 30 अगस्त तक एतराज़ात दर्ज किए जा सकेंगे। एतराज़ात की जांच के बाद 1 अक्टूबर को हुतमी वोटर फहरिस्त शाये की जाएगी। चीफ इलेक्शन ऑफिसर के मुताबिक रियासत में आखिरी बार 2002 में एसआईआर अंजाम दिया गया था और तकरीबन 25 बरस बाद दोबारा ये जामे नज़रसानी की जा रही है।
Election Commission of India issued a notification telling that SIR process will be starting in different dates in different states. In our state, the SIR process is going to start from 15th of June. 15th of June to 24th June, it will be for preparation of the enumeration forms and other activities. And then for the purpose of distribution and collection of enumeration forms, it is from June 24th to July 25th. After that, it is going to be the draft declaration. Draft will be given, draft notification. After draft, there is claims and objections period. Based on the draft details, electors can give their claims or objections. If somebody's name is missing or somebody's name has been there are errors in the draft that has been given. In that case, they can give their objections also. Based on that, the claims and objections, again the ERO will take some action, and then finally the publication of the final publication will be given in the month of October. So this is relating to special intensive revision. Related to special intensive revision, all the BLOs and all the other EROs, everybody has been fully trained, and they will also be taking up additional meetings at their level, and then hold political party meetings also, and apprise the political parties about this SIR process, make it as as known. It shall be made known to everybody what is SIR and what is going to be like, and what is the period when it will be taken up, and what are the various documents which people have. There are 12 documents which are to be given as a proof of identity, which will be made known to everybody. So the whole SIR process is going to start from June 15th.